I'll demonstrate now how to comply with Google Voice requirements to make an outbound call every 90 days to keep a Google Voice, and at the same time how to contact ChatGPT, 800 ChatGPT, to discuss various strategies. So for this purpose, I'm going to open a notepad where I can put some notes down. So many notepads that are open that it is a bit too much to figure out what is what here. But I'll use this one to take some notes about the assignment and minimize the rest of them so they don't get in the way. They don't overload the video controller of this PC. So I'll keep this one on. Then I'm going to the email client to see what is the message concerning Google Voice. And the name is USA's Name Us. So I'm going to copy this message to the buffer, delete it from the mail, indicating that I'm going to deal with it, so it will no longer be required to terminate this Google Voice. So for that purpose, I'm going to open another section marked with a bunch of open brace, then the message, and then a couple of blanks and close brace. So this way I can segregate it from the rest of the notepad. Then I'm copying the account name to the clipboard buffer. Open another instance of the browser and see if I can log into this Gmail account. Then once I logged into this Gmail account, I want to switch from this Gmail account to another Gmail account, which is the Gmail account that I actually want to use. Something went wrong, close another account. Okay, let's try to go to Gmail from here. Now that I got to Gmail, I want to change an account. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and try to add another account. And then scroll the way to the bottom and see if I can add another account yet. And then paste the account that I just copied from my email. And then put in the password. And I want to focus in. First of all, go to review the emails that are outdated. It's a message about 7 days. 7-day Google Voice number will expire in 30 days. So I want to delete all of them because they are no longer relevant. I'm going to delete all of them. And then I'm going to go to voice and see what happened recently and why did I get this message? Did I not make any outbound call, or what is the problem? So when I navigate to it, it seems like I made a call on April 13, and today is July, which is, yes, too long. So now I want to call. Help me discuss the possibilities of using my domain name and my company to get partnership with other organizations. Yes, I want to partner with a company that is working on naming conventions. So, naming a vanity phone number that matches a domain name and that matches a business theme. Like, for example, USA's name.us. Yes, I did searches on Google and other places to see if there are companies that are doing it, but how to go about it exactly and how much should I get involved in the work myself? That is the question that I'm struggling with. No, I want to tell you what I've done already. I have secured the vanity phone number and I have the domain so I can proceed. And I want to do webinars with the Meta glasses. So as I'm working on it, I can also stream it live to Facebook as I'm preparing the Facebook website, which will be named in the same way. And in that way, I hope to create some kind of specific advantages that I have and share it with them. So they will be more interested in working with me. Yes, I thought that I will, as I'm creating a Facebook account, I will stream it with Meta glasses, and I have a partner, another professor that wants to do the same thing. So between me and the other professor, we're going to simulate a little two-person in-person class in which we're teaching. One of us is teaching the other how to make a Facebook page, for example. I don't know because I didn't get yet the eyeglasses, which I'm considering to buy, and then I have to figure out how to stream live from the Meta glasses, and only then I will be able to worry about scheduling it. Yeah, I'm working with a manager of a store, a eyeglass store, that owns a couple of them, and I hope that he will help me. Yeah, and I also invited him already to be a guest speaker in my class, and he agreed to be a guest speaker in my class. So I hope that next thing I will be able to meet with him. I'll ask him if he can demonstrate how to stream live from the glasses. Yes, and the most important thing I forgot to tell you, and that is that I want to use AI, conversational AI, to select the name so that somebody will be able to dial the vanity phone number and then AI will reply, and then they will be able to ask for a name for their organization or their children or whatever it is, and the AI will specialize in name advising services. Yeah, I looked at several AI chatbots that are supposed to help you make up names and so on, but most of them were not that good. Yeah, what do you think if I asked you to help me name some of my companies or the organization for which with which I'm affiliated, would you be able to help me? So I gave you an example. For example, USA name dot us. So the domain name will be USA name dot us, and I want it also to have a phrase that makes it easy for somebody, a human, to get involved in it and say something like, "This is USA name us. How can I help you?" And the AI to bring in the human after an initial trial period. Yes, exactly. That's exactly what I intend to do. So you'll be able to call the number. You'll dial the number that spells USA. USA's name that us, and then the chatbot will reply with a welcome message, and after that, it can discuss with the caller whether the caller would like to get help like that, and then eventually, especially if the caller is prepared to pay for it, we'll route it to a person to make a three-way video conference the chatbot, the caller, and the human involved. Yeah, I think that this will be good enough for now. Thank you very much. Thank you. You too. Bye now. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Just getting so tired. I have to take a break. So I want to save this. So I'll save and start the recording.